My name is Logan McLaughlin, and this is my first YouTube video. Howdy everyone. My name is Logan McLaughlin, and this is my first YouTube video. In this video, I'll be sharing three things. One, I'll be sharing a little bit about me. Two, I'll be talking about why I'm doing YouTube. And three, I'll talk a little bit about what you guys can get out of this video and my channel. So relating back to you guys, I think you'd be interested in my channel if you are interested in personal finance or attaining financial freedom. If you are interested in MIT and going to MIT and seeing what MIT students do after they graduate school. Or if you want to be a management consultant and want to learn more about management consulting. And then lastly, or if you just want to hear more about me and my story. I think I've been inspired quite a bit by YouTubers and YouTube stories and YouTube channels. And I would love to put my story out there to help inspire others as well. So a little bit more about me and my story is, my name is Logan. I was born in Park City, Utah, went to high school in Ohio. I've got 6 siblings, big family, a bunch of cousins that live all over. Ended up going to school at MIT. I played soccer at MIT. I was in a fraternity. I did 614, which is computer science and econ, as well as a double major in business, which was course 15. At school, I had a ton of fun, did a mix of internships. My junior year internship, I interned at a management consulting firm, which I now work at. I've been able to travel the world. I worked in Amsterdam, worked in Australia. I primarily do operations work or manufacturing work, but I've done a mix of private equity diligence work, industrial goods, you name it. And now what I'm excited about, or what makes me excited in life, are being happy in the short term or do things that make me happy. So skiing, surfing, was surfing this morning, trying to set goals that push me over the long term, whether that's financial independence like this, setting up a YouTube channel, buying my first rental property later this year, et cetera, et cetera. And then lastly would be helping others do the first two. So helping others be happy in the short term and helping others set and achieve their goals, which is part of the motivation for setting up this YouTube channel, as an educational resource for other folks out there. And actually, I almost forgot to mention the last thing that gets me excited, and that's hitting the like button and subscribing on every YouTube video that I watch. So make sure you guys go and do that. Moving on to the next section of the video will be why I'm doing YouTube. And so there are 3 primary reasons why I'm doing YouTube. The first is as a source of passive income. So I've watched a number of YouTubers like Graham Stephan, Shelby Church, et cetera, you name it, that have all used YouTube to grow their income or do things that they wouldn't have been able to do beforehand. I think trying to attain financial freedom, that's something quite important to me. The second thing is to get out of my comfort zone and grow and learn and push myself. I think being public speaking or being in front of a camera is not the first thing that I would have thought I'd be doing right now. And then lastly would be to help others. I like to think I'm pretty knowledgeable on personal finance, and I would love to share my knowledge with other folks. I think about my younger siblings and having a consolidated resource for them to go to and kind of learn a lot of the things that I've learned throughout the years. So that's something important to me. In the last section of this video, I'll plan to outline the types of videos that I plan to make for this channel, as well as the goals that I have for creating this YouTube channel. So the types of videos that I plan to make are focused on personal finance, on MIT, on management consulting, on credit cards, on living life, and a few other fun videos mixed in. More specifically, I've got a series of 10 videos coming up after this that'll be focused on a personal finance crash course to get you up to speed on your personal finance and financial freedom journey. The goal for this channel in general is 1, to be entertaining for you all, 2, to be an educational resource, and 3 is just a source for me to share my story and have quite a bit of fun along the way. All right, now in closing, this is my first YouTube video that I've ever made. It was pretty fun or interesting making it. I really appreciate you all for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and it definitely helps out quite a bit with the YouTube algorithm. So I would really appreciate it. And I'll also be replying to every comment made on this video, as I want to learn from you all as well as I kick off this process. And with that said, thank you all for watching. Much love and adios.